March, and then April and May. So we keep review and then keep changing, updating. So it's really complicated and it's a lot of work. Mm. 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 Um. So I asked Helen for the login. So you can review every month too, of course, but I'm not sure if you would have the time as well. Yeah, every month we have different deadlines. Some month we have Ref 2, some month we have Ref 1, some month we would have budget. Budget's gonna be starting from end of July and until December, and then we have audit on different deadlines. So every month we sort of like have extra something. Yeah. So yeah. Uh, so I asked Helen for the flexi purchase access. So after once you have that, I'll show you like how to do it. Um, so a lot of our entertainment costs are coming from there as well. But the good thing is, um, so from Landside point of view, our VP who spend a lot on entertainment, he's has left. That's Max Cruz, the one that we yeah. So you probably won't have anything for this FBT year. Yeah, which is good. Because last year, the previous year, I didn't have anything. So it was easy. And then this year, I suddenly just have so many things just from one person. Yeah, and then others as well. But I mean, there's other spenders in the entity, but it just doesn't make them to become FBTable. But I still have to review. Mm. Yeah. Okay. Mm. I actually not sure. I think they do it on their own. Mm, mm. Mm. Because yeah, I'm not sure because they still act as their own entity. So it's not really. I mean, they are part of the group, but they still have their own team and everything. So I'm not sure. Mm. Mm. Yeah, I think so. Mm. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Yep. Okay, so this one is the template for us to transfer. So basically, the this is just the leave accrual to transfer from my book to another book. So whatever, as because we are the same entity. So you select which entity you transfer from. So Lane, and this is Sydney head office. So this is the balance is 31st of March. So I actually want to do the transfer for him in April, but because my boss he was on leave, he was the one who do the leave for the head office, and no one else can do it. So I just wait for him to come back this month. So that's why I put it back. I put back the leave balance of this guy in April. So if you see my note here, so I put move to AHO in April, but I'll just put his leave manually in, and then we'll transfer in May. So which is this month. So this annual leave balance is very straightforward. It's just his balance as of last month. Mm. And then this one, long service leave. So we only calculate based on the net present value. So we get it from here. He's 6002. Okay, I need to open the April file, or maybe the March file. Mm, mm. Yeah, it shouldn't change. That's right. So we're getting it from this file. We're getting the net present value. So this is the our net present value calculation based on the total. Yep. But so to in order to get for Tom only, so that's him. His nominal amount is 8,000, but we only do net present value. So that would be 5,880. So I'll copy and paste this amount into our one here, and then this one is just reading based on the on cost of land size. So you have to make sure this on cost number is updated. So I check this is the on cost for AHO. I mean for SRO, Sydney head office. Mm. Mm. We would use the same on cost from our one of our leave provision file. Mm. Mm. The bond rate? No. Yeah, so one of our file is actually using this rate here. Mm. So so in your payroll journal, if you want to calculate it one by one employee, you will notice the payroll tax rate is actually different for each state employee. But for our leave provision, if we try to separate it out to different states, it's going to be too much work for us. So we're just going to keep it simple for the leave. We're going to accrue based on the average rate. Mm. Yep. So be mindful. Normally, our rate will be updated in July. So by July, you will have to check with Amit to see if he would want to increase the rate or lower the rate. Mm. Okay, so this one, you see once you enter in on the details, it will pick up like a journal for you to post. So this is 7208 is the one that I already posted for Landside. And then this one is the journal for 7971, which is the Australian head office. So I will send this calculation to Nick later and I'll CC you in. So you notice like for some of them, they would have like this intercompany account, GL. You have to post using a intercompany journal. I mean intercompany section. Mm, that's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. Mm, This one, that's right. It will leave. It will clear our leave, and this one also calculate the deferred tax asset, which I'm not sure. I'm not a. Mhm. They already have a formula here, so 30%. Yep. Yep. So after you do this, and then you have to post your part of the journal. And then there's one extra step to do. So go back to our May report. So we are doing the transfer for our monthly seven. Yeah, so our monthly staff, Tom is sitting on this one, 7202. So you can see like the movement for this month, right? For this cost center for annual leave is minus 14K. The reason why is because we have two. Oh, sorry, we just have only Tom. We have Tom leaving our book. That's why our leave provision gonna go down by this much. By this much, however, we have to input in the amount that we transfer to AHO here. So it's 13, and we do the same for the long service leave. So just make sure we only book in the movement for our the rest. But this one sort of net off. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, so the 14K is actually just calculates as including everything. So if you look at here, the movement should be around movement for that cost center only. Should be roughly 14. Mm. Yep. Because this 14 is actually including on cost. So 11K including on cost. So now, so before you, I know you already copy and paste a journal, but now you have to do the new, so don't post that one, cancel that one, but you have to post this one now, the updated one, as I put in the leave transfer. So here as well, 5879. Mm. This TB. Previous month balance. Oh, so I'm checking the TB. Invalid dimension. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. Uh, mm, okay. I'm not to be honest, I'm not expert in this one either. Let me try to see. Mm. So this one has already changed? Mm, mm. Oh, okay. Mm, mm. Yep. Oh, okay. They removed something. That's why. Mm, I mean, they did removing some. It's okay. I'll copy. Mm. Those in the middle. Takes so long. Yep, it's fine now. Yes, okay. So I think it's on good. Can you please post the journal for the leave provision? Mm. So just this one. Yeah, so this one from this to here. Yes, and yeah, so these are the one we have to copy and paste, and this one as well. So anything with the blank, just remove it. Mm, that's it. And then I'll post. I already posted the leave transfer. So you had to. Mm, mm-hmm. Mm, it should. It should. Yeah. So you had to redo your journal. Don't post the one earlier. Because once I put in this one, it's actually reduced the amount that you have to post. And when you do the leave for next month, you make sure you remove this, otherwise it's gonna be wrong. Mm, mm, yeah, yeah. I save it. Just make sure you put a note or something to remove this from next month. Mm, otherwise, if next month you post that amount, will be in trouble. Mm, yes. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Yep. So let me know once you post it and save, and then I'll just have a look at the journal posting, and then we can just tick off that we did the leave provision. Oh, so you got access to one of the payroll, yeah? Payroll, payroll file, EAC. So there is another payroll. There will be another payroll in here, and sometimes payroll gonna do a adjustment pay, so they do something out of normal schedule, like sometimes if they have to pay something extras for any employee for that specific period, or even a reimbursement. So before closing month ends, or yeah, I would normally come here and check to see if payroll did pay anything extra, because they don't normally tell us. Mm. So sometimes if you miss out, for example, if you miss out one, um, it will be so you sort of miss out the cost, and then also all of the wages they are paid out of AHO bank account. So in our payroll journal, we actually have an intercompany balance to the AHO account. So if we don't post a specific payroll for the month, but AHO did pay, then we have a intercompany variance at the end of the month. Mm. Or the AHO, the head office accountant, they will. Mm. Mm. What do you mean intercompany transaction like that? Mm. Mm. Yeah, that's right. There are too many entities, so even payroll They won't be able to, yeah, they won't have time to inform everyone. Mm. Mm. Yeah, so I always check in the folder. So this week's right. I know next week by Wednesday we should have Wednesday or Friday. We should have one more EAC, and then normally by the Friday at the end of the month, I would check again. Or you can check on the first day of the month just to make sure you didn't miss out anything. But if you do, it's okay. But you will get the AHO accountant will let you know on the second or the third before your closing money, and then you will have to post an extra journal to clear out the intercompany. Mm. Yeah, so there's a lot of things to do. Yeah, just say if you miss out something, it's definitely gonna cause issue to someone. Mm. Oh, good. So tomorrow, hopefully, if I don't have anything caught me up, we'll have to do the standing and the ASB list journal. Mm. So for now, the payroll. No, the standing journal, standing prepayment amortization, mm, and the lease journal. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, I think I saw Ahmed email the new director. What was his name? Um, mm, okay. Mm, okay. So keep in touch tomorrow. Please post the journal and let me know where you save a copy. Mm, okay. Thank you, Andy. Thank you. Bye.